Ever wondered why seeing someone yawn makes you want to yawn too? It's not just in your head. It's a fascinating social phenomenon. Point one theory is empathy. Our brains have mirror neurons that activate when we observe others. Contagious yawning could be a subconscious way of showing we are in tune with those around us. It might also be an ancient survival instinct. For our ancestors, a group yawn could have signaled a change in alertness or a coordinated time to rest, keeping the tribe synchronized and safe. So whether it's empathy or evolution, contagious yawning is a powerful reminder of our deep connection to one another. Bet you feel like yawning now, don't you?